In this video, we're going to teach you how to do the supine 15-degree incline dumbbell tricep extension. It's a mouthful, isn't it? This is an excellent exercise for building arm strength.
We are the gym that teaches people how to move instead of just exercise, because we believe that health is about performance, not just body image.
Supine 15-degree incline neutral grip dumbbell tricep extension. We use this in phase 2 of the UMS as it takes the shoulder into a new and more challenging range than the flat bench position. To set up, simply lay down on a 15-degree incline bench, feet under your knees and arms extended. Keep your shoulders back and down and your thumbs at the end of the dumbbells. This position ensures you are able to access full range of motion without the dumbbell hitting your shoulder prematurely. It is important to note that the upper arm should stay vertical at all times. Once set up, the 3 coaching cues to think of are: set shoulders back and down, keep your upper arm still, be intentional with end ranges. Now, we use this exercise in the UMS to progress the difficulty of the tricep extension by going from a flat bench position to a 15-degree incline bench position. We're increasing the difficulty of the exercise by bringing the shoulder further into flexion, and that just makes it a little bit more challenging. You always want to make sure that the upper arm, the humerus here, it always stays vertical. So it doesn't matter whether you're on a flat bench or a 30-degree incline bench. If the humerus is vertical, then that's bringing the arm into more of a shoulder flexion position, making the exercise a bit more challenging. And you always want to progress and use periodization so you're not just developing strength in a one-dimensional environment. Hey, thanks for watching this video. If we haven't met, my name is Rad Burmeister. I'm one of the co-founders of Unity Gym and the Unified Movement System, or UMS. Right now, you're here watching our free content on YouTube. And since you've already come this far, I can tell you're serious about getting strong, flexible, and fit. But if you're ready to level up, our free Facebook coaching group is exactly what's going to help you do just that. Not only can you ask questions and post videos for feedback from us, I'll also give you one of my most popular and effective programs, the 20-minute flexibility routine, as a gift for joining our tribe. See, despite our combined 50 years of training at an elite level, despite how much quality content we give away on YouTube, at some point, your progression will come to a grinding halt due to limiting factors that are unique to you alone. Honestly, it's not your fault. You haven't done anything wrong. But our tribe is a testament that having an expert look at what you're doing and help you to break through plateaus is simply game-changing. So whether you want to get more flexible, stronger, fitter, or learn some awesome calisthenics moves, or even just perfect your squat technique, we can help you get there faster and safer. Oh, and before you go, if you haven't already, smash those like buttons and subscribe buttons. It goes a really long way to supporting our channel and helps us keep putting out the content we do. And if you prefer to listen, search any podcast platform for Sound of Movement to listen to our amazing interviews with coaches and experts in their field. Well, that's it. I'm looking forward to meeting you in the UMS Movement Mastermind Facebook group. See you soon.